Hey everyone, look what we have today. It is the cutest gadget ever. This is the instant print digital camera for kids. If you have a little one who loves taking photos, this might just be the perfect gift. It prints photos instantly without any ink. So let's unbox it and see. Let's open this up. Right on top, we have the camera itself. Look at this design. It's pink and white, and the silicone case that protects it from drops. It's super durable and easy for small hands to hold. It has nice 2.4-inch screen on the back so kids can see exactly what they are shooting. So let's see what else is in the box. We get a USB-C charging cable and a cute matching lanyard so your child can wear it like a necklace. Yes, look at it with a set of coloring markers and other things they have given which are not useful. So this is because the photos print in black and white so colors can improve its appeal. So the loading paper is also easy. Just pop up open the front hatch, drop the roll in and close it. Overall, you don't have to have the batteries. It's a charging camera. If you're going to charge it, you can use it for around 30 to 40 minutes. And if you're not taking photos in it, you can also play games. So overall, it's a joyful gadget that kids can use, and they can have a great experience. They can shoot photos, they can take videos, and if you put a memory card in this, you can record all your photos and for videos in it. So that's all we can have in the unboxing of this digital camera.